Every day you swallow hundreds of times without even thinking about it. But behind every swallow is an incredible sequence involving your brain, nerves, muscles, airway, esophagus, and stomach. It all begins in your mouth. As you take a bite, your teeth begin breaking the food into smaller pieces. Your jaw muscles control the powerful chewing movements, while your tongue continuously moves the food between your teeth. At the same time, saliva from several salivary glands mixes with the food. Saliva doesn't just make food easier to swallow, it also begins the chemical digestion of certain carbohydrates. As chewing continues, the food becomes softer, smaller, and easier to control. Your tongue then gathers everything together into a moist, cohesive mass called a food bolus. Now something remarkable happens. Your tongue presses the bolus against the roof of your mouth and pushes it toward the back of your throat. Once the bolus reaches a specific area of the pharynx, sensory nerves detect it and trigger the swallowing reflex. From this point, much of the process happens automatically. Your brain coordinates a rapid sequence of muscle movements. The tongue pushes the bolus backward, the muscles of the pharynx contract, and the food is guided downward. But there is a major problem your body must solve. Your throat contains two pathways, one leading to the digestive system and another leading to the lungs. During swallowing, the larynx moves upward and forward, the vocal folds close, while the epiglottis folds backward to help protect the entrance to the airway. This coordinated movement helps keep food and liquid out of your trachea while directing the bolus toward the esophagus. The bolus then passes through the upper esophageal sphincter and enters the esophagus. And contrary to what you might think, food doesn't simply fall down this tube because of gravity. The walls of the esophagus contain layers of smooth and skeletal muscle that work together to create a coordinated wave called peristalsis. The muscles behind the food contract while muscles ahead of it relax, creating a wave that steadily pushes the bolus downward. The camera follows this wave as it travels through the chest toward the stomach. When the bolus reaches the bottom of the esophagus, it encounters another important structure, the lower esophageal sphincter. This muscular valve relaxes at the right moment, allowing the food to enter the stomach. It then closes again, helping prevent stomach contents from flowing backward into the esophagus. Inside the stomach, the journey changes again. The stomach isn't simply a storage bag. Its muscular walls continuously contract and relax, mixing the swallowed food with gastric juices. These digestive secretions help break down proteins and other components of the meal, while the stomach gradually turns the food into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. But what happens if food or liquid accidentally approaches the airway? Your body has another powerful defense system. Sensitive nerves in the throat and airway can detect material entering the wrong pathway. They rapidly send signals to the brain, triggering a strong coughing response. The muscles involved in breathing suddenly change their activity, helping force air outward and clear the airway. This is one reason coughing while eating or drinking is an important protective reflex. From the first bite to the moment food reaches your stomach, swallowing involves an extraordinary chain of events. Your teeth break the food down, saliva prepares it, your tongue forms and moves the bolus. Your brain and nerves coordinate the swallowing reflex. Your larynx and epiglottis help protect the airway. Your esophagus uses peristalsis to move the food downward, and your stomach takes over the next stage of digestion. So the next time you swallow, remember, you are not simply moving food down your throat. You are witnessing one of the most precisely coordinated processes in the human body. If you enjoyed discovering what happens inside your body, like, share, and subscribe to Bodyverse TV for more incredible human and animal anatomy documentaries.